Hello guys, welcome back to Fashionaire Develop Tuts, and I'm Neville Paul. In this tutorial we're going to talk about string operations in sass. So previously we looked at numeric operations and equality operations. So today we're just going to talk about string operation, and the next video will be about color operations. So let me get started. Sass only supports a single operator on strings, concatenations, but it supports several varieties of it. The simplest is the concatenation operator, which is the additional sign. So I'll just write the concatenation operator here with an example of a code. So if you hear about concatenation operators, I know in PHP we use dot, and JavaScript we use plus. So in sass script we also use sass. We also use additional operator as a concatenation operator. So I'll just comment it out. Concatenation operator. So you may wonder how we do this. So I'm just going to write a small example of how we use this operator. So since I have here h1 tubes, I'm going to use this to write in content in it after this h1. So I'm just going to write this code. So when we save this, so we check in our app.css, you'll find these what that we rewrote in our content has been rendered in our CSS file. So it's written as hello world. So if you want a space here, we'll just do this. We just add a space here. Just do this. Now when we check here in our after CSS, we'll see a space here, hello world. So this is how we use concatenation in our sass script. So let's check it out in our browser. As you can see here, our browser, this content in our after has been displayed here. So if we use again before and we concatenate here these two words here, so I'll just use before. So when we check our CSS, let's see before, then when we go to our browser, we see these content has appeared before our h1 tag. So guys, that's how we use concatenation. Also you can use concatenation like if you want to do this, for example, also your font family, like if I want to do this, I will do like Calibri, then I'll add these here, like some Then again I'll add here, I'll just concatenate these here, just do this like that, then I add a comma. So when we check our file here, we'll see these. Okay, just a minute. Oh, we can use this like this. So when we check our CSS file, you see Calibri, then sans serif. So what our transpiler does, it will choose which of these code to be enclosed with just a minute. To be enclosed with a quote. So guys, this is how we can use concatenation operator in sass script. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the other video where I'll be discussing about color operations. Thank you guys.